Today we are going to discuss about the pancreas. Pancreas is a very soft and spongy tissues that is located in the behind the stomach in the abdominal cavity of human body. It is about 6 to 10 inches long, very soft in nature, and it is only the organ in our body which performs both the function, that is your endocrine and exocrine functions. Exocrine functions related to the secretion of the digestive juices, and endocrine relates with the secretion of hormones. Pancreas body is divided into head, body, and tail. On these parts only, it is also known as bile glands or the endocrine and exocrine glands. Head is having the exocrine functions, and the tail is having the endocrine functions. Head is the widest part located nearby the duodenum, and the tail is the left portion of the pancreas, lies near the spleen on the left side. So here in this diagram we can see this is the pancreas here, and it is located behind this stomach, and other organs which are concerned with the pancreas, that is your gallbladder, liver. Here in this side there is a spleen, and here this part of small intestine which is connected with the pancreas, that is known as duodenum. Duodenum is the first part of small intestine and the widest part, and so endocrine functions is concerned with the production of hormones, and exocrine function concerned with the secretion of digestive juices or known as pancreatic juices. Functions of pancreas: head performs the different functions, tail performs the different functions. So this pancreas known as endocrine and exocrine gland. Exocrine part of the pancreas resembles like the salivary glands in our body, because we have salivary glands that secretes the saliva that contains the water 99%, and 0.5% is your, that is organic and inorganic substances. So same the exocrine part of pancreas, that is your head. In head, digestive juices or the pancreatic juices is secreted, which contains 99.5% of the water, and other 0.5% is your, that is आपका organic and inorganic substances. So this exocrine part or head of the pancreas is made up of some particular cells, or these cells are known as achini or the alveoli. These achini combines together to form a single layer of acinar cells with a lumen in the center. Acinar cells जो है, these contain some granules, these are known as zymogen granules, which secretes or which produces the digestive enzymes. Next is these acinar cells जो है आपका combines together, large number of layers combines together, and from where small ducts arises from the lumen of each alveolus. Ducts are the pipe-like structures which drains the particular produced juices or enzymes into the place where they required. So आपका जो ducts है, each small ducts arises from this acinar cells layers and combines together to form a one single major duct, that is known as Wirsing duct. All the intralobular ducts unite to form the main duct of pancreas called Wirsing duct. Wirsing duct, then this duct, pancreatic duct or Wirsing duct, is combined with the common bile duct, which is coming from the superior part of the pancreas from the liver to form a duct that is known as ampulla of vata, which opens into the duodenum. Here in this diagram we can see this broad part of the pancreas is known as head of pancreas. Here in this is a longitudinal part that is known as the tail of the pancreas, and middle part is known as your body of the pancreas. The head of the pancreas is directly connected with this duodenum, small intestinal part or first part of small intestine. Here from the superior portion, here the one common duct is coming, that is known as common bile duct, and from here this is your Wirsing duct combines together to form a ampulla of vata, opens into the duodenum. So this head part is function as an exocrine, and this tail part function as a endocrine part. So here like this tail endocrine part secretes some of the hormones. Here the head part secretes the your digestive juices or the pancreatic juices. Here we can see this echinacea cells secretes the digestive enzymes. These are the echinacea cells combined together, 1 1 1 1, and they have the lumen in the center here, from where the enzymes or the secreted juice drains here from this side, and from these layers are also, and from these layers, and here they forms the common duct coming outside which drains the आपका जो juices है and forms the आपका pancreatic duct form होता है यहाँ. Endocrine part. The endocrine part of pancreas secretes the various hormones: insulin, glucagon, somatostatin, and pancreatic polypeptide. So these hormones are very important, play important role in the body for controlling the your glucose level in the body, because here glucose level should be in the your proper amount, because if it increases above the normal, then it can cause harm to the body, and if it decreases below the normal, then the body will suffer. And insulin is the hormone that regulates the hyperglycemia. When there is increase in the glucose level in the blood, so this insulin will makes it to come normal. Glucagon is an emergency hormone when there is a decrease because of any kind of condition, in case of dehydration, or like in case of weakness, or when the food is not taken on time, so there will be deficiency of the glucose in the blood, so glucagon increases the your glucose level in the blood. Somatostatin, it is an inhibiting hormone that inhibits the other hormones when they performs abnormal functions. So endocrine part of the endocrine part contains the islets of Langerhans, which secretes the various hormones, and endocrine components consist of only 15% by mass, which secretes the hormone that regulates the blood sugar level. Here you can see these are the exocrine part and this is the endocrine part. Exocrine part consists echinacea and the duct tissues, and the endocrine contains the islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans contains different types of cells. These are known as alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells. So all these different types of cell produces different hormones. Alpha cells secretes the glucagon, which is a hormone that is used in the condition of hypoglycemia, and this beta cells produces the insulin that is that controls the hyperglycemia in the body. So these are the cells produced from the endocrine part, that is your islets of Langerhans. Exocrine part of pancreas secretes the various enzymes which are as follows: amylase, elastase, chymotrypsinogen, carboxypeptidase, pancreatic lipase, and trypsinogen. So these are the hormone, or these are the enzymes that is produced from the exocrine part. Exocrine part contains the echinacea or alveoli cells that secretes the various enzymes into the duodenum. Exocrine components consist of 85% by mass and secretes the enzyme rich in bicarbonates, which are very helpful in the digestion of the food. So next we move on that what is pancreatic juice. So we had already discussed about the pancreas part, or which is the exocrine part, which is the endocrine part. Exocrine part is the head which secretes the various digestive enzymes, and endocrine part is the tail which produces the various hormones in the form of insulin and glucagon. So जो pancreatic juice जो produce होता है body में, what is the role in the digestion? It is a juice secreted by the pancreas which is very helpful in the digestion of food in humans. About 1 to 1.5 liters every day from pancreas. Pancreatic juice is produced, and the pH of pancreatic juice is, that is 8 to 8.3, and it is alkaline in nature because of presence of bicarbonates, and it neutralizes the acid that present in the food which is coming from the stomach. It contains large number of enzymes that break down the food into simple forms, so it can be easily absorbed in the duodenum, that is your first part of intestine. Composition of pancreatic juice, that it mainly composed of 99.5% of water and the 0.5% of solids. Solids are in the organic and inorganic substances. Organic substances are the enzymes, that is your trypsin, amylase, elastase, carboxypeptidase, and lipase. Other organic substances, that is albumin and globulin. Inorganic substances, these are known as sodium, calcium, magnesium, potassium, chloride, bicarbonate, sulfates, and phosphate. So this was about the pancreas, that is the location of pancreas, and the endocrine and exocrine part of the pancreas, production of hormones, production of enzymes, and the about the pancreatic juice that contains the 99.5% of your water and 0.5% of your substances, inorganic and your organic substances. So subscribe this channel and please share it. Thank you so much.